Oh, it's right there.
Dal here with Dirk, and we've got this oats Chobani Oat Milk.
Chobani?
Chobani, yeah. And I took a quick look here, and everything looks pretty good. And so I don't know, we have to shake this up, right?
Does it say?
No, it doesn't. I don't know if it does or not.
I'm not sure if you shake milk.
Okay.
We can give it a try. Just pop it open.
Now this is, oh, we don't even have one of those things on there that you pull the plug.
Oh.
So
Oh, thank
I know
you.
I'm gonna like this stuff better than that other.
The buttermilk crap?
No, I wasn't gonna mention the name, but
That's fine.
so oats, good for you and the planet. Magic, right? Vegan friendly. Vitamin A, D, and calcium. No lactose, no nuts, no gluten. So
It's a lot of good things.
yeah, a lot of
on the
good
box.
things there.
Let's give it a try. I kind of like it. Cause it's not milk, it's not dairy. You definitely taste the
Yeah,
oats in it.
A little different, yeah.
But I'll be honest, I kind of enjoy this.
Yeah, this isn't bad.
Would you say you prefer this more than like whole milk or like
Well,
2%?
I'm a skim milk person,
Oh, okay.
but or almond milk usually.
Mm-hmm.
And but no, if I had to do this and put it in the cereal, yeah, I wouldn't have a problem. That's where I drink milk, it goes in the cereal.
Yeah, there's something about like the oat blend and like the weedy taste that I actually like and enjoy. And I would give this like a 7.5, maybe 8 out of 10. I'm really enjoying this.
Cool. We finally got something in front of you that you like. Welcome to the food eval business.
Exactly. You know, a diamond in the rough, you can say.
Yeah.
Dale, what would you rate this out of 10?
I don't know, somewhere in the middle to the upper middle, I suppose.
It's like a 7.
Yeah.
The classic
But
meatball
that's just
score.
that doesn't reflect on the product itself. That just is my tastes.
Yeah, like
So
taste
I'm not-
wise.
if I was to rate the product itself, I would rate it higher than that.
Okay.
But
Yeah, those are.
Because here, like a lot of ingredients here. Let's see. Some of that stuff I don't know, but it's not. I've seen things where they've got a whole list of ingredients and it's all small print, and you don't really know what's in it. This one they made an effort at least to let you know. And so, are we good on this one?
Yeah. I'm all good with it. I definitely recommend it.
How do you say the name again?
Chobani.